Hi guys, in this video we're going to go over how to pair a ZAGG keyboard with an iPad. Very easy. So first you need to ensure that your device's Bluetooth is on. Very important. Okay. And then once the device is actually in pairing mode, right? The keyboard is in pairing mode. Okay. You need to press and hold the Pro keys, Bluetooth 1 or 2 keys. Okay. You hold them for 3 seconds and a blue LED light on the power button will actually begin pulsing. That indicates that your Pro keys is in pairing mode, and your device will actually display the ZAGG Pro keys as an available pairing option. Okay, once it displays that, select it and complete any of the pairing steps, okay, based on your device, right? And if you want to pair it to another device, you repeat these steps, and once paired, the blue LED on the power button will actually stop pulsing, and it will fade to off. Right? Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.